eager to win, yet kept busy by family obligations. One day, like the imperial blade, a savior will be discovered to guide the way. What appears to be a disaster is providential. Whatever you intend to undertake will be a success. You want changes, and everything will be okay in the end. If you require assistance, your renowned benefactor and help are around. Misfortune will pass, and good fortune will shortly follow. Trust the gentleman from the peaks. Good news beckons at a time ruled by the tiger or rabbit. Work hard, and success will bring you the relaxation you will soon enjoy. A disaster, yet a blessing in disguise. Whatever happens, everything will be okay in the end. You will receive silk for your feet instead of hemp. You must remain calm, because blessings will follow a calamity. You were born into a prosperous family, into a life of luxury and reputation. Your glory will spread across the 7 seas after the king bestows you with a golden mantle. You have earned your way through the Dragon Gate, and everything will work out. Okay, prisoners will be released. The sick will recover. Your fame will expand once you reach the Dragon Gate. Like the divine crane released from its cage, one is free to soar anywhere one wants. All paths are open, north, south, east, and west, even up to the clouds on 9 if you like. A crane has escaped from its cage and gained its freedom. Everything will work out in the end. Everything is in order. Every street is free. Go wherever your heart leads you and be free. A disagreement is difficult to swallow. When trouble is on the horizon, get as far away as possible. You may only find refuge in deep regions, like a bird whose nest has fallen. You will face problems and sufferings at first, much like a bird seeking a nesting site in a jungle, but your struggles will soon be gone. It will take time to resolve any hatred or anger directed towards you. Nobody will believe you, even if you intend good. Stay put, tolerate, and bide your time. Set aside your concerns and sorrows. Joy will come as the clouds part. An experienced craftsman would quickly discover its worth, like a jade shard buried amid a mass of excrement. What you desire will be fortuitous if yin and yang are in balance. There's some benefit but no loss. Damages will be repaired. The villain will receive his due. The good will be rewarded. Pay no attention to gossip, and don't spread controversies. Count the Buddhist prayers throughout the day and night. If you believe the lies and fallacies, you are baking cakes to satisfy your hunger. This is a Chinese adage about a guy attempting to fulfill his hunger by painting a cake. The hunger is genuine, but the food isn't. Prayers are useless to a preoccupied and dissatisfied heart. You can't eat them to fulfill your hunger, just like the cakes in the image. Days and nights have been cycling since the beginning of time. Buddhists, Taoists, scholars, peasants, workers, and businessmen will profit significantly. The exchange of yin and yang represents natural order. As things take their natural course, harmony will triumph. Take care of your heart. Your hard work will be rewarded. It will be a clear shot when released, just like an arrow on a bow. Set the ferry back home in dangerous waters. Winds and waves rage on indefinitely. Wait for softer waves as this threat passes to find stability and tranquility. A boat is traveling over raging rapids. You must be patient and await the right moment. Sailing the boat in dangerous situations under challenging times. Wait for your chance. Take advantage of the opportunity and continue when conditions improve. The golden crow and jade rabbit can be seen when the spring weather clears, following a wet spell. As the old fades, the new appears. It only takes one jump to clear the Dragon Gate. After a brief downpour, the sky clears. Everything will work out in your favor. Disasters may occur, but there will be no danger because of the protection provided by celestial beings. You will be safe and secure for the rest of your life, with honors and glory at the end.